Easy organization. The Wakeman Outdoors Tackle Box features a lid with built-in storage compartment for quick and easy access to fishing gear. The single tray inside offers additional storage and removes from the box to give you access to the space below. Easy to carry. Anglers of every age will find this easy to transport to the water. The multiple latches help to secure all contents inside the tackle box, and the collapsible handle helps for effortless transport and storage. Essentials included. The kit comes with standard, snelled and jig head hooks, spoon crankbait and plastic fishing lures, assorted sinker and line weights, vertical pole float, round bobber floats, line clipper, hook remover tool, fishing line and more. Product details. Product dimensions: tackle box outside, 12.75 inches, L, x 7.00 inches, W, x 5.5 inches, H. Tackle box primary box depth, 4.25 inches, removable tray depth, 1.25 inches. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect for beginners. First-time fisher, it had everything I needed to get started, including base lures. I love it. Now that I'm buying more base lures, I'm running out of room and I've had to get another storage container, but I keep all my essentials in here, and it has plenty of space. Very sturdy and snaps in place. If dropped it doesn't pop open and everything stays in place. Highly recommend for beginner fishers like myself.